All right, parts are in, made in United Kingdom. Hell yeah, UKDM. So this is the one that goes right over here, right over there, the cover. So that's the whole part right there. All right, take it out of the cover. Look at that. All right, so this is the left and right cover for that aesthetic of the engine right over here, that little hole right there where you can see through the plastic cover. Yeah, little pieces like this makes the car what it is, you know what I'm saying? Then some Mugen, real Mugen all cap. That's legit right there from Kingsport. I'm gonna put that on too, put it in a little bit. So we're gonna do a flip. All right, the cover is on. There we go. That was quick and easy. Took about a few minutes with the clips on it. I made my own little clips on those sides. They're pretty pricey just for the dressing, but you know, it's to its own taste, yeah? It should have came with the, from the factory this way. Just, you know, you don't want to see all those wires and holes and shit. So anyway, that's it for that. And on to the next one, I'm gonna put the downpipe. So this is the downpipe install. I'm not really gonna do a tutorial to how to remove, but all I know is two bolts right here you gotta remove, or where the turbo is at. It's a bit pain in the butt to take it out. There's not a lot of room. There's two screws that's holding this piece right over here, and then just to get to this you got to take out that manifold that goes to the turbo, and that's it for now. We're almost there. Took out the screw right over here, and then we'll take out these pieces right here slowly, and then I guess that's about it. So let's see over here. Take out the O2 sensor. I think there's a clip right. So on this on the O2 housing, just pretty much pull this thing up and then push down, and it will release the O2 sensor. And to take out the O2 sensor, just release it from there as well, just like that. And then one more, just this one. A little tab in there again. Can't feel it that much because I'm wearing gloves. Where are you at? Oh, I can't feel it. Look at this. To get to the other third bolt, I shove in the screwdriver and my long wrench, because we're not going to use that bolt. So if you're going to think like, how are you going to put that back? Well, we have a lava heat wrap, so that sucker is off. And then what we're going to do is fish it out with my, oh, never mind, it fell off. It fell off on the bottom. Anyway, that's one of the things to remove that cover. Now it's totally off. And then we'll take this out. I use an extension. Of course, my snap-on socket 14. I mean, I broke them all off. I didn't even soak them overnight or anything like that. Just sprayed them around it. Took it from here, took it from here, took it from there. As easy as that. I mean, they all came off with no problem. I just took my time and kind of feel it. I didn't yank it quick. It just kind of felt it. You know what I mean? I don't know why other people are having problem removing it on the manifold, but as you can see, it's pretty loose. So everything is off from the top. And you know, to recap, two screws over here on top, two screws right here on the front of the manifold, the intake on the turbo manifold. And then when it goes here, there's two screws on the side that you're gonna have to kind of maneuver your little fingers around it and your you know, your stuff. So now everything is off on top. I'm gonna remove everything on the bottom, and I guess that's about it. So let's go on the bottom. All right, so just basically take it out on top. All the screws on the bottom is gone. 3 right here. Remove the 2 screws, and there's another 2 screws that's holding the engine block. It's on the engine. Transmission, I should say. Is that transmission? Something like that. But yeah, things on a tranny. So anyway, it's on that side. You'll see it when you're underneath. So pull everything on the top. I'm gonna have little scratches right here, but it's okay. how it looks like. No drama. People are complaining about breaking the bolts. All the bolts are in there. Boom. I didn't even do PV blaster shit. So just WD it and that's it. Soaked it for 2 minutes. But no overnight, no anything. And then just clean the manifold. That's pretty dirty already. So anyway, boom, out. Throw that away. This brand came with a lava wrap and bolt to use because this one is stuck on there. Anyway, we're gonna put it on and don't forget to put on the. It came with the O2 sensor, that way it doesn't trigger the light. So put it on. This is a lot heavier. It's a lot lighter. All right, so we just finished. I just finished. We started about 6 p.m. Took us a couple hours to do it. So took me a couple hours to do it. It's in. I'm gonna do a test drive. Everything is bolt on. I didn't have to remove a lot of stuff over here on this side. I just wanted to remove what I need to remove to clear the manifold, the screws in it. So everything is, there's 2 screws holding this, just to recap, and 2 screws on the plastic. You're gonna have to snake your way around those 2 little bolts, that's 12 millimeter. And then 2 right here, 2 right here, 1 right here. And then unloosen all this stuff right here. Boom, you're out. So anyway, everything is good and put on the plastic piece around it and the USR down pipe, or the decat I should say, and we're gonna do a test drive. All right guys, until next time, that's what's up with the Type R, and see how much power we make next dyno tune-up. By the way, they gave us the wrong Mugen cap, so we're gonna reorder the Mugen cap. So thanks for watching guys, God bless, and please sub if you can. Civic Type R, boom.